Well, great to be back on Saban Media Sports Extra on YouTube. Mami pa kwenye so. Na mi mo bi bra kwaba. Emra Saban Media Sports Extra on YouTube. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Me ka trem. Say Joseph Ablo was next. Ebra Kotoko mpenyi for confirm say somewhat Tinedu the terminating the contract. Na a mutual agreement between Kotoko and somewhat Tinedu. Me ka trem. Say the next player no Joseph Ablo. And at the moment Ablo is no longer a player Makumasi Asante Kotoko. Now, what I've gathered and is the team, the organization, managing Joseph Ablono, issue statement. And Kakra me kind from that statement, and it say initially I first said na they were not really convinced with regards to the termination. But upon further checks, and then I say termination ni Ablo ni kremu the statement about our Dakotoko supporters nasi. So it really confirms it. Say Ablo any Kotoko that communication need to keep place. So he's no longer a player Makumasi Asante Kotoko. So back to the statement Ablo management release here. Reading that statement, what I got to know is clearly baby omonye happy. That beta Kotoko omuhuni say Kotoko egu Joseph Ablo ni mo ase some level of defamation be take place na eno de omone Kotoko for enya adwen nti no whatever they will do to ensure say Ablo that defamation no e be free hono they will do it nti Kotoko say mo say Ablo oye bi oye sia mo evidence wa himfa and more calm as you see na to amanfo three. So what they are saying is omo client no Kotoko egu omo client no anymore ase and Ablo is a brand ebi ana club bi kura pen as workers Ablo aye why bi why see now they are turning so na evidence bi any hono mo a ese omo ne Ablo engine ye nti Ablo management there what they are demanding from Kumasi Asante Kotoko and it's our mumbra no mumbe sign Ablo eti na sa defamation di omo de ato ne so no a eno betumi affect ne bobo ebi a ne next potential move omo nyi sa de no influ on because Kotoko up till now omo ntimi mfa evidence bia emma ye kire se Ablo oye sei anas oye sei anase oye bibi fufuro. Now for Joseph Ablo any Kumasi Asante Kotoko how omo terminate contract no we are Asante Kotoko fan e wo se wonya entiase bi Kotoko e kon omo fa so terminate players na contract no e bi a we Kotoko fan you might not be happy but it looks like Asante Kotoko a person more enforce discipline. It looks like the standard of discipline in the Asante Kotoko team mo person more raise bar. And idea be a way be and it's a discipline in my quite difficult so bit me achieve or target and I say will go into many Kotoko for no by dream. And a quine crow my first terminate contract and I think say they are the best because we share FIFA and MRA and any articles are so what terminate player contractor you have to go in for Article 14 and the Article 14 is stated clearly say what termination of contract with just cause. The player there with me terminating a contract, but there was said a year with just cause. FIFA and Sheda and Kofeda and explaining what really entails the just cause. But what makes up the just cause? And he say between the player and the club after someone signing a contract. Now, akwan mienu pe and obvious say player contract be ende. Is it that say player no the contract no abewiye What you say? Termination of contract abewie nti automatically contract na end. What you say? Ɛyɛ akwan mmienu. Either say player ne contract no aba awie. It is a contract na aba awie dey automatically player no ebetumi ayɛ den akɔ. Anaasɛ offer bi aba na player ne pɛ sɛ ɔkɔ offer no mu nso yɛ den emu yɛ du. Nti ebi yɛ transfer. Now, apart from that two ways, so we terminate player contract with just cause. It means it's a contract in the whole clauses were contracting. In the clubs, we want more the clause extra contracting. Say me timono. Ebi a yen smoky shisha. Me timono. It ran a draw. I was a player be at that this time. Now say one that this time. Say me two. Say who smoky automatically o contract no. Terminated. Into any clause the contract in into say who breaches our clause na automatically o contract no end. What you say? Into it could be taken as termination with just cause. Just cause no and it's a club no e won and clearly on my way aware or sounds the share will contract him as a clause. It is a who breach here. Obetumi agina so what terminate your contract. But apart from that, termination be a because no. Termination be a because a was a player no any club issue. Now mutually in coso between the club and the player. Na entiasie entiki place and sana it is what there. Kotoko termination na coso no nyina no. The two parties kotoko impending for management and a player no more dinkomo. No more giatum say CCA no there was a terminated contract and will be a funny way. So get the understanding. And I believe by now we're on point. Se kotoko I'm free player no one in ending komo amanti ase anya adwuma ontimi terminate player no contract that. Eno sa no terminate a enye for just cause. Ontimi terminate the contract that. And we terminate the contract ne pe obetimi ya take you on. Obetimi do akọ the Ghana Football Association GFAG or honorable obetimi do akọ CAS because and no man unlawful a man illegal because contract there between two parties. It's a termination. I will say take place two parties there was so mushia. Now mutually agreement take place. Compensation we want me was here the affected party here the compensation. I'm a the affected party. Now a player article 17 player so unilaterally a bit near decided so terminating the contract without just cause. But it comes with repercussions. The player first is what repercussions were honorable because a contract between two parties who play and who decide is terminating the contract. No, the club can sue you, the club can take you on, and you have a compensate club no. What you say, and son when you say is a because club assets no come contract existing quantity. So I'm happy say Kotoko release neighbor out a mutual agreement between the two parties. So within do the no a mutual agreement between Kotoko and some do a blood and so a mutual agreement between Kotoko and Joseph Ablo. So I'm happy with how they are doing it. And it looks good. It means company for no, they are really applying the rules. Unlike previously, let's say we want to terminate your contract. But ntiaseɛ ɛnyɛ adwuma once a player no ɛsɛ wɔ demand for the compensation or the asɛm no bɛkɔ the Ghana Football Association so ɔbɛkae Solomon Safu Taylor ɛma ade a kɔtɔkɔfoɔ yɛɛ Solomon Safu Taylor ne bi si nɛ ɛne kɔtɔkɔfoɔ ɛnyɛ adwene wɔ how they handle this issue ɛma ɔmo kɔ dig deep ɛkɔhu sɛ boy no ne din koraa wasesa no ne age bi ne nsɛnsɛm bi ma kɔtɔkɔfoɔ expose no because ɔde ne ka ɛna wɔ demand sɛ compensate no kwan a wofa so terminate ne contract no wanyɛ ne yie na deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ kɔtɔkɔ mpanyinfoɔ no yɛ ne sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo ɛkɔpɛ ne din ne age bi sɛ ɔno koraa no wasesa ne mfi wasesa ne din wɔ sɛ dɛ ɛma ebi si nɛ boy no ɔda so te ho nisuo a saa issue no ɛwɔ sɛ kɔtɔkɔ ɔmo fa kwan bi so na ɔmo ho Solomon Safu Taylor na asɛm wei ɔmo ka firi hɔ no because ɔmo ne no ɛndi ne yie so I'm happy that they've really learnt their lessons and this time ɔmo kɔ according to the rules and regulations of the game nti sɛ wofrɛ player no na ɔne ne kana player no sɛ o mmemme nte aseɛ gye sɛ mobɛtumi aterminate but gye sɛ mo compensate me amount sei na mɛgye amount no wogye sɛ wobɛgye 20,000 yɛbɛtua ma wo ne aterminate wagye ne sika ɔkɔ asɛm bi ani hɔ nom so saa bad mapping no ɛyɛ ana ɛmmoa and professionally it doesn't speak well of the club so it's good that this time round Asante Kotoko apply rules and regulations of the game and as at now Joseph Ablo deɛ no mo a mo ka sɛ Ablo management no ɔmo complaining anaasɛ ɔmo statement no it has to do with how Kotoko terminating the contract no it's not like that ɔmo gye tom sɛ Ablo contract no Kotoko because ɔmo ne Ablo hyia Kotoko mpanyinfoɔ ne Ablo hyia ɔmo terminating contract no but Ablo management no deɛ ɔmo ne Kotoko wɔnyɛ adwene ɔmo demand sɛ Kotoko should act right ɛyɛ defamation bit no kɔso ntumi nfa asɛm nto obi so abrɛ a wɔmfa evidence bi ama out Ablo ɛbɛtɔ odwa sɛ ɔnom hyehyɛ no hyehyɛ deɛ no na ɛnyɛ Joseph Ablo sɛ obi kɔpie ne so anaa Kotoko wɔ evidence o no ɛyɛ Justice Blay ɛna ne interview ɔkɔkae sɛ na Ablo ɛne Kamara ɛnom hyehyɛ evidence no wɔ hemfa so ate aseɛ nti ɔmo nso no deɛ ɔmo ka no they are on point and you follow this issue yɛbɛhu how a ɛbɛkɔ akɔsi nti no Kumasi Asante Kotoko ho nkɔmmɔ na mene mo ba bɛdiiɛ fa Joseph Ablo the contract termination and how good Kotoko nso handle the termination of players they think they can no longer work with them or more terminate your contract. Make sure also before YouTube, subscribe to Saben Media Sports Extra for the best of sporting content. Have a wonderful day.